We are
MANABU Japanese Language School.
Hello everyone! Today I'd like to thank you for watching the FB Live of MANABU Online Orientation. I'm Angelica M. Aragon, the head teacher of MANABU Japanese Language School. New system is anytime, anywhere, all you want, you can study Japanese language. We hope you can create a society that everyone can learn Japanese whenever and wherever they want in their lifestyle. All of our original textbooks and other teaching materials have been digitized and made available for free on our website. This is accessible anytime, anywhere using your smartphones. To a black and white textbook, it is more colorful, easier to understand, and easier to scroll and zoom in on. This helps you understand the correct pronunciation and the Japanese situation.
私は昨日勉強しました。
So the content for the lesson 20 is now almost ready and available to everyone. We invite you to experience this wonderful online textbook. Just visit the www.manabutextbook.com. All lecture videos and grammar explanations are made into easy-to-understand videos. These videos are available on the MANABU JLS YouTube channel, where you can watch as many lesson videos as you want at any time. However, if you want to ask questions to our teachers, you must register on our website. This course is designed for those who want to try learning Japanese, those who don't have a lot of time, who want and can study by themselves. It uses the same textbook as the paid course. So, if you like self-study style, you can study quiet and seriously. This is very good for you. With 90 sessions, 365 hours in total. The course is divided into 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening classes. And you can ask questions to the instructor as many times as you like from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. Anytime, anywhere, all you want, you can study Nihongo in MANABU JLS.